Hey, what's going on everybody? Josh here with Scrapyard Films, and today I just wanted to make a quick video that can help out people who are experiencing weird little glitches with Vegas Pro or their login license with Boris Effects now that they own Vegas Pro. Boris Effects went away from using serial number methods and now do login licenses that are attached to email addresses, and sometimes the system gets confused. And so I just want to go ahead and show you the easiest way to kind of just reset everything and get everything all synced together and on the same page. Okay, so I'm at my desktop and I have the two most important icons here, the Boris Effects Hub and the Vegas Pro icon. If you're experiencing any kind of weird glitches with Vegas when you're editing, or if you updated to a different build or something like that, it's always recommended to hold Control and Shift while double clicking the Vegas Pro icon, and then this little box will come up, and it's do you want to reset all Vegas Pro preferences to default values, and there's a checkbox that says delete all cached application data. Check that box, hit yes. This factory resets Vegas. It takes a second to load back up, but once it does, you'll see Vegas pop up just fine. You can close the splash screen intro window, and if you saw my other video about preferences, you can go to Options, Import Preferences, find your preferences and double click them, and it loads them all back in just fine. And if you saved a custom layout, you can go to View, Window Layout, choose your custom one, and then bang, you got everything back. Now, if you're still experiencing any kind of issues, maybe with like your license or something like that, it's always a good idea just to forget the computer that it's attached to currently and then reattach it to your computer with your email address and login license. And you can easily do that by going to accounts.boriseffects.com and logging in at the top. Once logged in on the left-hand side, we can click on My Machines, and that'll show you everything that's linked to a computer. You'll just want to hit Manage and then Sign Out. And then say, oh, you'll no longer be able to use this login license on the machine. That's okay. Hit confirm, and then that's it. Now we refresh, we will see no active sessions found. Perfectly fine. Load back up the Boris Effects Hub, and then go to the gear icon and click Use Login License. From here, it'll ask you, do you want to use your login license on this computer? And you hit Continue. And then you'll see a window saying Login License has been activated for the specific version that you have. So then hit Close, and you're good to go. And that's going to wrap it up for this video. If it helped you out, be sure to press that like button down there, and maybe even shoot a comment below and tell me your experiences so far with Vegas Pro 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.